have going on. Pretty big push in on this door on a Chevy Express van. Yep. So show you just with glue pulling and a little bit of dollying with the rubber hammer, are able to get a lot of this out and just put a ton of tension on it. That's my ghetto setup, so cool, stick around. All right, just checking in, showing you how this guy turned out. It'll wave right there. But once the window gets back in this van, it'll be kind of tough to see that. Yeah, far cry from what it was before. Just about there, which is straight, so you can get a good seal on the window. So, yeah, thanks for checking it out. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.